Okay, welcome back. Now let's do an example dealing with complementary and supplementary angles. So let's take each part, okay? So let's find the complement and supplementary angle of 2 pi over 5, okay? So how do we do that? Well, the complement of this, remember this has to add up to pi over 2, right? So what we're going to do is we take this, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to take pi over 2 and we're going to subtract off 2 pi over 5. Okay, and so what are we going to do? Let's get common denominators here. So this is going to be 5 over 10, and this is going to be 4 over 10, right? And so then the complement of this angle is going to be pi over 10. Okay, now what about the supplementary angle of this, the supplement of this? So again, we're going to do the same thing. Now this time it has to add up to pi, right? 2 angles have to be added up to pi. So if we want to find the other part of this, the supplement of this angle, then what we're going to do is we're going to take pi and we're going to subtract off this angle to find the supplement. And again, we want the common denominator here, okay? Or we can look at it and see what it's going to be. But again, let's go through it. So pi is the same as 5 pi over 5, right? And so we're going to get 3 pi over 5, right? And so we could have seen this is 2 pi over 5, so we got 2/5 of a pi. So to get to pi, we would have to have the other 3/5. So we could think of it that way as well. And again, get to the right answer. Okay. Now what about this one here? Now, this one here, let's look at the complement of this. So now it has to add up to pi, right? But pi, or excuse me, it has to add up to pi over 2, right? Pi over 2, right? Let's get this in common denominator, right? So this, and again, let's go to tenths, right? So to get to 10, we're going to have 8 tenths, and this would be equal to 5 tenths. Now, what do you notice here? Well, this angle is bigger than this angle. So it's bigger than 90 degrees. It's bigger than pi over 2, which means that there is no complement to that angle. There's no positive angle that we could add to get to 90. We would have to subtract. So therefore, this angle is already past 90 degrees. It's in the second quadrant. So therefore, there is no complement to this angle. Okay, but we can find the supplement though. Okay. So 4 pi over 5. So again, let's find the supplement of this angle though. So the supplement, we're going to take pi minus 4 pi over 5, right? So we got 4/5 of a pi here, and we're subtracting from pi, which means we're going to get what? Pi over 5, right? Because 1/5 plus 4/5 equals 1, okay? And so that's the supplement. No complement, but there is the supplement to the angle. Okay, and that's it.